Hey Eurofusioners, I'm back with the update of how the website actually looks. So this is for the profile network and it's mostly done. I believe it's actually done for what it needs. If anything, I need to cut more stuff or just change, and there can always be improvements. But it's all about having this landing, and it's supposed to be for the phone when I join networking events, and mostly for people to directly WhatsApp me. I'm going to have it as a QR code on the lock screen. I'll have to do it in a bit, and then people can scan that, and then they go to about me, and as they scroll, then they go to story. They can press on the video that I've had, some reviews, some stack, and some tools, services. This is where I think I can cut a bit and design. There's also some children in the background. I left the plants from the template. I think it's just interesting. Maybe people will already press and say, "Oh, can I get this plan?" I'm like, "Okay, no problem." And then I have book a call, and then I have projects. Book a call, I don't think it works. If I'm right, it goes to Calendly, but not my Calendly. Just to a Calendly. So I should do the link right now. These are just mockups. They're not actually my projects. I need to add my projects, and then I added here the socials for every single one. And of course, the interesting thing is maybe I should add a white space because of the bug on the bottom. So this is how it looks, and I've tried to remove some of the writing because I thought when persons are in person, they don't really want to see that much the writing and read, and they're not going to get interested in that. That's when they're supposed to go when they read projects and they read portfolio. So actually, let me duplicate this, and then let me rename this as an empty section, and let me take this and delete them. So that should fix the bottom part. And what I of course want to fix is the view more section. um, so I need to go back into the cohesion and to modify it from the main part, and that will be on the bottom. So view more from here. Let's have it one more time. So view more link, and then does it have itself a link? I don't think it does. So I'll have to check how that works out. But for now, that's the website. These are the changes I've made. I particularly added buttons, I added links, I recalled them. I created an embed of the video that we've seen up, and remove some of these because there were too many. Remove some of the writing because too much, and yeah, I think I just need to simplify it even more. And of course the profile, which still needs to be completed, the portfolio, but this is already done, turning it into QR code, final edits, and that's it. I thought it would be interesting to record this in case anyone else gets this error. You can see how this is nice. The only thing that I didn't do is if you have this to fit, not fill, even if you press on preview, right, and it shows fine, what's actually happening is that on the phone it's not fine, right? It tries to put in the actual size of this entire thing, the overflow. So this is not mentioned directly here or as a warning in Framer, which I think is a bad design thing. But now I've put it like that. I'm pressing Ctrl Shift P, and after it's published, I'm also reloading the page on my phone, so you can see this will work out. But this bug should not happen. Right now, it works. Yeah, you can see my face is straight. Try to go lower. Yeah, you can see now it works because the face is straight. But I've discovered this whilst documenting, whilst searching on the internet, like on the framework community. So to me, it's crazy that this is not a feature to warn people and to let them know. But again, another thing learned in Framework: be sure to have the fill when you have overflows